Okay, hello guys. Just like I promised, this is we're going to be looking at GBPUSD for the the next week. We're going to be looking at where price is heading towards the trade we took last week because trading is all about history. What happened before? What happened before? You're going to use what happened before to frame your next trade setup for the next week. So actually, the previous week, that's from September 24th, 25th. I mean, yeah, 25th September. The week started on I think let me check. It's supposed to be Friday. Um, okay, Thursday, 26th, then Friday, right? Okay, no, we have the previous week. It's backwards, not forward than supposed to be. Let me use the 15 minutes. Thursday, 25th, Tuesday, I mean. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday. Normal. Okay, Monday, okay. I think I'll be explaining from here the trades I took. Monday, yeah. This is where Monday started. Monday here. So, okay, yeah. Alright, so when the previous week started, normally Asia session be taken away, which is this Friday by for the 20th by 4:30 p.m. Like the previous low, the previous day's low was taken out, then previous day high too was taken out. So that settles that one for this. But why that was happening? With that was actually a manipulation setup. You understand? It was actually a manipulation setup because a low was taken because price was bullish, break, you know, supposed to break. Okay, it's not even a manipulation setup, it was just a low, the low of the previous day because this was the break for the previous day. This was the break, first break, second break, right? So this is the low that caused this high, sorry. So the low wasn't taken out, it was just the low of the previous day that was taken. So it's not actually manipulation. So let's get that out of the way. But the low was taken, high was taken. So we entered the new day. So remember, here is the low, here's the previous high, here's the previous low. So we're going to draw a line to indicate the low. So normally price should go up, come and take this low for our manipulation setup to take place. But let's see what price will do. So when price broke this high, the break of structure happened. Price came down, you know, did its thing, came down to this level, then broke. This is just, I would just explain price action, then it will lead us to our next setup, our next trade idea for the week. So price broke and came and manipulated this region here, then price started going up after the manipulation. So after the manipulation, we're supposed to see manipulation break, then another break. But as price was going up, what happened? Okay, Let me go back to 5 minutes, because I usually use 5 minutes for trades like this. Okay, that was on the 22nd. Yeah. Okay, so let's use this one instead. Okay, so price now give us manipulation break, which is this one, manipulation break, then and give us another break of structure here, so which gives us the idea that this low price is supposed to come down to zero. But then what happened after the manipulation? Go back to my video where I talked about flag limits to understand flag limit. I think I even explained flag limit using this very setup. So price failed to break at the first leg, came down, then broke. So that leg is known as our flag limit leg, and we have a very strict rule on flag limit. So that's the flag limit there. Then we are going to look for, in this low of the flag limit, you are going to look for where there is fair value gap. Remember, this is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes time frame. We can still use the 10 minutes time frame, but we are not going more than that. You understand? We are not going more than that. So, but 5 minutes is our ideal time frame for framing our intraday setups. Oh my god, this thing just taking me back. Okay, so now if you look closely, this box here, it's our order block. I mean, it's our fair value gap in that area of flag limit. Then after the fair value gap, there's always an order block below, and I'm taking from this week, this very week here, down to this very week here as my order block, because there's something about hidden order block in weeks. So, but then in flag limit entry, I'm not supposed to enter at once in flag limit entry. You understand? I'm just supposed to wait for that place to get to tap. After the order block taps, you're going to see a form of liquidity grab and break. You understand? So this is what happened. Price played a trick on us, a fast one, and we almost, in fact, we missed the trade, because normally I'm supposed to just take the order from here. You understand? The order from here, but I like to see confirmation before I take orders from flag limit zone. But I missed it because I'm supposed to just take the order here. But I missed it. No problem. So I was trying to see, sorry, maybe had it been I go down to went down to 1 minute time frame, maybe I would have seen liquidity grab, then the break, then something. But I don't use 1 minute. So when we saw that tap, price went up, understand, and came down and did as if it broke this high here, that it broke the high, but came down again, swiped. So I wasn't seeing a clear liquidity grab. That's why I didn't take the order from this place. So the only liquidity grab I saw at that point was this grab here. So I was expecting after the liquidity grab, then a break like a couch. Let me use that thing. So I was hoping price to come down to this order block, but price did not. This last bearish candle, but price did not. Price only used It was cool. I missed it. No problem. Price was just in a haste, and left us. No problem. So that order was missed. So we started seeing price action like this after that missed order for that week. So let's just play price. Mind you, after this flag limit, the price won't come down to this zone again. The price is not going to respect this zone. If price will come down, it will take out this zone. You understand? So we are going to follow price as price is developing. Let's follow price now. Let me make it faster. Okay, so this is a break. Sorry, this is a break. So following price. You see what price did? So price came back, took out this liquidity, this low, causing here to be manipulation. Understand? Here is not the manipulation of that low of this break, right? So because there was no clear break of structure anywhere here, so when price manipulates, what we want to see is a second break of structure. But are we going to see that? Sorry. This thing can just mess up sometimes. All right. So let's watch for manipulation break, then another break of structure. Let's see if we're going to see that. No, price failed to manipulate. But do you know what's happening? If you would want to understand what's happening. So price failed to manipulate and didn't respect this zone, just like I told you. Price swept this zone because flag limit zone have already made this zone invalidated, so price is not going to respect it anymore. So price took it out. So we are kind of okay, fine. Price took out that zone. Let's see. We are still following price action. Let's follow price action and see what next would happen, because we are not taking any trade right now. So price swept. Okay, this is a break. This is a little break, right? So we don't rush trading. We are just patient, following the market. That's what we have to do, even if it to take 2 days, 3 days. We're just following, because when we get our order, we are getting it. We are getting it. We are not missing. We are getting it. So this is first break. The second break, which is like a liquidity sweep. Then so that liquidity sweep happened. Then this break happened, right? So this kind of manipulation here, happened here. Let me mark it as manipulation. Then we have the manipulation break. Okay, so we need to see another break, which have already happened. So you have to get an eye, forex eye. Okay, so yeah, so that happened, and second break. So we are expecting this zone here to hold. let's go to 10 minutes and see. Okay, the last okay, no, we are going to use 5 minutes. 5 minutes is better because 5 minutes, the last bearish leg there is this bearish leg. So we're expecting price to come, take out all this liquidity. This is kind of an inducement liquidity. Inducement liquidity is liquidity that is resting below a fair value gap. You understand? So I'm going to mark it as my inducement liquidity. Let me just draw it out. So whatever price does, price will come back to that place and take our order from there. So we are expecting price to come here to grab our inducement liquidity, then fill here up, then go. So but before that happens, we are still playing price, right? Price didn't come there instantly, so price was just going up and playing around, give us another break of structure here. Now this order I took this order because wow, I saw something. Whenever you see manipulation setup, don't mind the one you saw below. This other one would occur first before this one will happen. So I saw this break. So price obviously is going up, right? Break, break, low, break, low, break, then manipulation. This was the manipulation I saw. I took this trade and it was very sweet. Yeah, I took manipulation. Then we got the first break of that manipulation. We wait for the second break. If the second break would not happen after the manipulation break, we are not taking the trade. So we were monitoring price using the 5 minutes, and we saw the second break here. Second break occurred here, right? That shows that yes, our level is going to hold very well. So break, second break. So we are now looking at this level, last bearish candle, to take our entry from here. So we're taking our entry from here, midpoint, 2 pips below. Oh, it's 1 point, that's 3.8, 3.8, right? But yeah, let's maybe make it 3 pips, right? For other pairs we use 3 pips, but for gold we use 2 pips. Yeah, so 3 pips would be 4.8, just to be safe, 4.7. Okay, it's okay. So but we don't know our high yet, so we are going to play price to determine our high. Okay, I think it was very fast. Our high was determined here, so we took that trade. It was a clean 1:4. Alright, so the trade actually played out because I took the entry. Yeah, so now look again, we saw another manipulation. Market is just sweet, giving us manipulation upon manipulation upon manipulation. So see the second manipulation here, swept that low here, swept the low, cost our manipulation first break. Oh my god, manipulation first break here, then we'll wait for the second break of structure. Now the second break is already happening. I'm going to play price to see how it happened. Second break, so second break happened, right? Now but then when that manipulation happened, price was going, price failed, came back and broke. Now we saw our flag limit here, flag limit entry. So but before the second break, the price action came down to the order block, picked it, and went up, telling us that there's an other block here. Price is not going to go below this point here, so we are just going to take our entry. Very sharp, risk to reward, because we know it's going to play out, because flag limit entry is a very good entry for me. I like flag limit entries, so let's see the highest point, so that we can take our trade idea. Okay, price actually didn't go that far. Price came here, which is 1:11, which is a sweet entry. So price picked our order, because I like flag limit entry a lot, and we had that trade, sweet one. So so we have another break here. This I'm trying to lead you to I want to lead you to our next setup for the week, the upcoming week, which is starting on the 30th of September to 1st of October and all. So we're pulling price action 2024, by the way. I don't know where you'll be watching this video. So yeah, so price is just going down, 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 down. So we are waiting for this break. If this break happens, then we say it's another break of structure, right? So so actually price is failing to break that point, but let's see if it's going to break here, right? Okay, goes up, came down again. We are not kind of taking any trade, because we have high break, we have what, okay, I think that's where that's where price stopped. That's where price stopped. But yeah, okay, fine, good. That's where price stopped. So price actually mitigated, took out this high, right? Took out this high, then started, doing its thing. Okay, took out this high. So we have a small break here. I think I didn't take any other entry on Gbpusd, because I wasn't sure of, I wasn't clear of, the move. So I didn't take any other entry. It wasn't clear to me. So, but let's just do it right now. So price took out cost break of structure. This actually indicating prices about going down. So price did another one here, another break downwards here. So normally price supposed to go down, right? So price failed and came all the way here, grabbed this liquidity, causing a manipulation up in the upside, right? So let's just see. Let's see. So price caused the manipulation. Let's see what will happen by next week. So we're going to see after the manipulation. Let's open the price and see what the price is doing. Okay, after the manipulation, we saw break. Oh, I have seen. I think we are having a sell. I think we'll be having a sell. So see, price pushed up, came down, broke, then came down to break, right? So you have to have eyes for these things. First break of structure downward, then give another break, sort of, but came down, came back up to sweep that. I think if you look at this on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to like see the whole idea, but I hate using 1 minute time frame for setup. Let's use 2 minutes. Oh my god, let's just use 2 minutes and see what's happening there. Okay, so you see, you now see price went up, came down, broke, broke. Then the first break, and this is just all the break here. Then price came down, swept, broke to the downside, went up and broke again. So You can see a very small break of structure here on the 2 minutes time frame. You can see a very small break of structure. Then price came, gave us a liquidity sweep, you understand, which is our manipulation. Because very this supply zone here supposed to be a strong supply zone to hold, but it manipulated it and came and gave us a break. And I think we've gotten our, sorry, I don't know why this thing is now. We've gotten our break of structure here. That's manipulation break. Then let me mark it. Let me just do the markup for you so that we'll know where price will be going to next week. This manipulation break. Then we have to wait for another break. So with what we are seeing, price have given different breaks. We saw the second break, multiple breaks, just like I told you. Price will give you multiple break of structure after this break. So you saw another one, another one, another one, another one. So we are hoping that by the opening of next week, we want to see price come into this zone here. Oh, price is not going to get here. You know why? Because now I have switched to 5 minutes and I'm seeing a flag limit. So I'm not going to take entry here. Price is not going to come all the way here, because after the manipulation, just like I taught you, you are going to see a flag limit zone, and this is it. It's a very tiny one. This is our flag limit zone. Sweet. Now we have a flag limit on Gbpusd. Yeah, you see, after the manipulation, price was coming down, price went up, came down, failed to break, came down, and now broke. So this is our flag limit. Now inside the flag limit, are you seeing, let's look closely inside this zone here. Look from this leg, from this top down to where it broke. Can you find any any fair value gap? Let's see. Yes, we have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap here, which is kind of partly filled, so my guess is price is coming here next week to tap on the other block here. So I'm expecting price action next week to come here yeah, okay, so I'm expecting price to come here, fill the zone, fill the zone, and wherever the low comes from. But then our take profit will be, our SL, sorry, will be 3 pips from here, which is 4.7, 4.7. Right, that is our take profit, our SL. So we are looking at, right now, this is the low, right? This is the low to be targeting here. So we have our next trade idea for Gbpusd. So guys, this is it. This is it. This is flag limit zone. This is a flag limit zone. So we're actually targeting here. This is our first zone we are looking at. But when price action will open again, price might dip below and give us another low, so we extend our take profit down. You understand? That's our zone for our take profit. Then I think we'll be targeting here again. I'll be targeting here for the second order. So I'm going to take few orders. This is not the financial advice though, so I'm not telling you that this is going to play out, so you should go and sell your house to take this trade. That's why I always apply risk management with my trade. I'm going to be teaching you about risk management in our next, maybe in time to come. I'll tell you about risk management, and so that how to be a successful trader using risk management. So this is a clean 1:6 arrow risk to reward. So we're expecting price to get to that level, then fall down, to take out this low and then maybe this low before we start looking at yeah, we still have a level down here. I think so price will still come here. So I have this, I have also is a buy from here, you know something. Let's give it 8 pips. Okay, just a rough estimate. So I have a buy from here down or up to that high, to this high here, this high. So my trade idea after the sell will be to buy to the stop, right? Yes. So that is it, guys. See you in the next one. I'm going to see if I would have the strength to drop another video for either AUD USD or Euro USD, so that we are going to see how price would form. Thank you very much, and bye.